Welcome to Chandana Maths channel. Students, today we will learn in 3rd B.Sc. Mathematics multiple integrals and applications of vector calculus semester 5 paper 6b 2nd unit multiple integrals part 2, the calculation of area of a parallelogram by using double integral. Using double integral, find the area of parallelogram whose vertices are A 1, 0, B 3, 1, C 2, 2 and D 0, 1. Solution. Given vertices A 1, 0, B 3, 1, C 2, 2, D 0, 1. Here y coordinate is 0. Then A lies on x-axis. Here x coordinate is 0. Then B lies on y-axis. On x-axis, take the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. On y-axis, take the numbers 1, 2. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Then number 1 can be represented as a point 1, 0. And the number on y-axis 1 can be represented as 0, 1. This is A point, this is D point. Now B point 3, 1. X value 3, y value 1. This is B. Next C point 2, 2. X value 2, y value is also 2. Therefore, the diagram is like this. To calculate this area of parallelogram, in parallelogram, each diagonal splits the parallelogram into two triangles. So, the diagonal BD divides the parallelogram into two triangles. Therefore, area of triangle, area of parallelogram equal to 2 into area of any one of triangle. Either ABD or BCD. This is equal to 2 into area of triangle in Cartesian form, double integral dx into dy. In polar form, double integral r dr d theta. In Cartesian form, double integral dx into dy. Here the limits are x and y. We have to calculate the limits of x and y. First we have to calculate now. We have to calculate equations of sides AB and AD. Equation of AB. The line passing through 2 points is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Equation of AB. A 1, 0, B 3, 1. Take these points as x1 y1, x2 y2. Y minus 0 equal to 1 minus 0 by 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. Y minus 0 means y equal to 1 by 2 x minus 1. On cross multiplication 2y equal to x minus 1. X minus 1 minus 2y. So x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 is the equation of side AB. In the same way, we have to calculate equation of AD also. equation of AB can be taken as equation 2, area of triangle equation 1. Equation of AB can be taken as equation 2. In the same way, we have to calculate equation of AD also. Equation of AD also, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Take A and D as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then we get equation of AD as x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to calculate x and y limits. For this, take a strip, horizontal strip, to connect the sides AB and AD. From equation 2, x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Then we get x equal to 2y plus 1. And from equation 3, x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 1 minus y. These are the limits of ax. A 1 comma 0, b 3 comma 1, and d 0 comma 1. From these three vertices, we can observe the values of y. Take the values of y are y equal to 0 to y equal to 1. Therefore, from 1, area of parallelogram equal to 2 into double integral dx into dy. This equal to integral x limits are from 1 minus y to x equal to 2y plus 1, and y limits are 0 to 1 dx dy. First integrating with respect to x and then integrating with respect to y. This equal to integral 2 into integral y equal to 0 to 1 integral x equal to 1 minus y to 2y plus 1 dx into dy is equal to 2 integral y equal to 0 to 1 integral 1 x with limits 1 minus y to 2y plus 1 dy. Apply the limits 2y plus 1 minus 1 minus y, upper limit and lower limit. This equal to 2 into integral y equal to 0 to 1 2y plus 1 minus 1 plus y dy integral y equal to 0 to 1 2y plus y 3y dy 2 3s are 6 integral y equal to 0 to 1 y dy. This is in the form of integral x power n. Formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So y power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. 6 into y square by 2 with the limits 0 to 1. Apply the limits. 3 is the required area of parallelogram. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.